Hi, welcome to today's class. The topic is meetings. There are many questions to ask before a meeting. If you're curious about what the meeting will cover, you'll need to ask the organizer of the meeting. You can also ask things like how long the meeting will take and who's coming to the meeting. Let's try a couple of these examples. What does this meeting concern? Do you know who's coming to our meeting at 1:30 p.m.? Who else did you invite to the budget meeting? Hi, Matt. How long do you think the meeting will be? Is the meeting going to be more than an hour? Here are some common statements people use when they can't attend a meeting. I have another appointment that conflicts with your meeting. I won't be able to make it. I won't be able to go to the 3 p.m. meeting. I have another appointment at the same time. I'm going to be out of town tomorrow, so I won't be able to attend the quarterly meeting. Can you send me an email on the topics that were discussed? During the meeting. Depending on the type of meeting, you may have to wait until the end before asking a question. You may have to raise your hand to ask a question, or simply ask a question at any time. You might say, I have a question. Why is the... How will the new addition to our project affect? Are we making sure to incorporate? You can ask any question. There's no specific way in which to do so. There is also no specific way to respond to being asked what you think about an idea or situation. Simply state your opinion. I agree with Joe. The correct approach is to sign the agreement with our partners before making it public. In my opinion, I think we should introduce our new line of products in the summer. Our target market will be more responsive to our ads during this time period. I think we can go either way. I believe both solutions are sound. Asking for clarity is similar to asking a question. The only difference is that they already answered it and you don't understand. So, you should state exactly what you don't know, or ask for clarity on a specific part of the question. I didn't understand why we're going to be late. I thought we had everything planned out early. What were the reasons again? Can you elaborate on how this process can... Can you clarify the second step in the proposal? I don't understand why... Exchanging contact details. It's likely that as part of the process of meeting with partners or clients, you'll need to exchange business cards. You can politely ask in the following ways. Do you have a business card? Could I have one of your business cards? Can I have your business card? Responding to these questions are very easy. You can just say, sure, or no problem. Some other questions or statements you may want to make are, can I get your phone number or email address? What is the best way to contact you? Can I get your contact information? Let me give you one of my business cards. My contact information is on my business card. Let me give you one. You can reach me by calling the number on my business card. My email address is on my business card. Boardroom vocabulary. AOB. Any other business. Usually the last item on an agenda. Absent. Not here. Not at the meeting. Or not present. Agenda. A written program or schedule for a meeting. It is also used to describe the book in which this information is kept. Apologies. Item on agenda announcing people who are absent. Apologies for absence. Ballot. A type of vote, usually secret and in writing. Casting vote. A deciding vote, usually by the chairman, when the votes are otherwise equal. Chairman. The person who leads or presides at a meeting, also known as a chairperson or a chair. Conference. A formal meeting for discussion, especially a regular one held by an organization. Conference call. A telephone call between 3 or more people in different locations. Consensus. General agreement about something. Decision. A conclusion or resolution to do something. In the verb form, to decide. Item. A separate point for discussion, as listed on an agenda. Matters arising. This refers to items on an agenda for discussion of what has happened as a result of the last meeting. Minutes. A written record of everything said at a meeting. Proxy vote. A vote cast by one person for or in place of another. Show of hands. Raised hands to express an opinion in a vote. Unanimous. In complete agreement. United in opinion. Video conference. Conference of people in different locations, linked by satellite or internet. Vote. To express your opinion in a group by voice, hand or ballot. Now let's practice what we've learned. How might you try to ask a question about reducing the marketing budget in a meeting? How might you say that you can't attend a meeting because of another meeting? When asked your opinion, how might you say you disagree with plans to expand into a new market? What might you say when offering a client your business card? Define a casting vote. The person who leads or presides at a meeting is called a written record of everything said at a meeting. A is when the attendees at a meeting raise their hands to express an opinion in a vote. Rephrase this sentence. The consensus is that we should expand into China. Now look at the following images and say what each image represents. And that brings us to the end of today's class. For more information on our one-to-one classes with a native speaking teacher, visit speakeasy1to1.com. Thanks for watching.